Respiration process in insects and frogs. Respiration in a cockroach. So let's start. Insects like the cockroaches or the grasshoppers or the houseflies or any other insect like that have tiny holes on the sides of their body. These openings or the pores are known as spiracles. So spiracles is actually very important to remember. The spiracles on the body of the insects are connected to a network of thin air tubes called the trachea, which spread into the whole body of the insect, where the exchange of gas takes place. Now let's see how the gas exchange takes place. Air rich in oxygen rushes through spiracles into the tracheal tubes, diffuses into the body tissue and reaches every cell of the body. Similarly, carbon dioxide, we will do one thing. The correct form actually of writing CO2 is nothing but the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the cells enter into the tracheal tubes and moves out through spiracles. The blood in these animals do not contain hemoglobin and is not red in color. They cannot carry oxygen to all parts of the body. Therefore, transport of air takes place through the spiracles in these organisms. The tracheal system or the spiracles are only seen in these type of insects, not in any other group of animals. Now let's move on to respiration in earthworms. Insects like earthworms and leeches absorb the atmospheric oxygen through their moist and slimy skin because gas can easily pass through the moist and slimy skin. They absorb the atmospheric oxygen through their moist skin and transport it through the blood cells. So here from their moist, this is suppose this is the diagram of a snail. Now what happens is it has a very skinny or slimy skin, very moist and slimy skin. It looks like we have taken out something from water. So from here this moist and slimy skin, they absorb the atmospheric oxygen from here itself, from the surface, and then they transport it to many blood cells inside the earthworm's body. So inside there are many cells. So thus it is referred to as an anaerobic respiration, which is the respiration in the cells inside the body, but here they are doing it from the skin, so it is aerobic respiration, and the waste carbon dioxide they take out. Respiration in frogs. A frog-like human possesses a pair of lungs, but when they live in the water, they breathe through their moist and slippery skin. When they are on the land, they breathe through their nostrils and a pair of lungs. So what happens is frogs. Since 4th grade we are learning that frogs are amphibians. So these are their nostrils. From the nostrils they take in oxygen. And it is transported to the lungs. The same process which happens in the human body during respiration, the same thing happens in the frog's body also. Here also many sac-like structure at the end of the bronchioles are there, which are known as alveoli, and they also help in the gaseous exchange of in the lungs. So O2, and when it is released it is the same, which is CO2. So see here, we can see here the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place in the frog. But when it is inside the water, it respires through its moist and slippery skin. So as we know that the snail also respires through its slimy and moist skin. The same way, when the frog goes inside the water, it respires through its skin. Oh, quiz time! We have finished all the topics. Now let us see one question. What are the small pores on the cockroach's body called? Please write the answer in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more updates. Press the bell icon, like, comment and share this video.